the night team while crews made quick work of most of the main highways and major roadways. The side streets, that's a different story.
And we are hearing from so many of you, trust us, some remain snow covered tonight as some of you grow frustrated. The night team's John Perrick is live in Providence after checking out side streets across the region. And how do they look, John?
Well, hey, Dan and Patrice, we're here on Blaine Street. It's been quite the scene throughout our area. Actually, here on Blaine Street, much of the street was snowed in, but this plow just showed up. Good news for residents, but throughout southern New England, we've seen a lot of snowed-in streets. Down here in Newport, the historic cobblestone streets can now say hello to a few feet of snow. We're standing in the middle of Coddington Street right now. It's one of those narrow one-ways in the city. Look at these cars here. The residents clearly not having fun with the snow. The cars will probably be stuck here for a while. It's tough for plows to get down the one-way. Now to Centerview Drive in Portsmouth, where the conditions are definitely better than Newport, but still, snow covers the street from left to right. We got mounds of snow, and look here too, little ice. Let's go over here. Full circle, just off Centerview. Hasn't seen a plow yet. But the plows have been to the main roads. They're pretty clear. That's West Main here in Portsmouth. Crews working around the clock to clear them, and you can tell by the amount of snow on the side. Look at the stop sign. Here in Fall River, residents are definitely waiting for a plow to come. 41 inches here, and you're not happy.
Yes, definitely not. I live in a complex down the street, and we are not even plowed out, and it's bad.
How bad? This bad, and my feet aren't even touching the ground right now because the snow is so compact. Fall River residents are reeling. And those same feelings are being felt here on Tangent Street in East Providence. Just look, the street covered in snow. Homes are snowed in, but help is in the area. We've got a plow down here, and they just cleared Quarry Street. What have the streets been like here in East Providence?
Awful. Absolutely terrible. They just plowed this road about an hour ago.
All right, we're back live here in Providence, and I want to show you this. This car here, it's been stuck for just over an hour right now. As you can see, much of this street, too, has not been plowed. And the mayor says that in the next few days, he hopes to have all of these homes and all of these residential side streets plowed. We're going to hold him to his word. I'm live in Providence. John Perrick, NBC 10 News, Night Team.